Welcome to my vlog.
I'm Umair Abbasi. Basically, I'm from Darwaza Ayubia, as it is my first vlog in which I will be showing you some beautiful and historical places in Darwaza Ayubia. Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers. First, we will visit Moto Tunnel, then to a Donga Gali track, and after that we will go further towards the church,
Which is built in British era.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
This tunnel, along with pipeline track, was built by British government to connect Hara Gali and Donga Gali and its nearby areas to Ayubia and to solve water problem to the military troops in Murree.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
This track is almost 4 km long and has a very beautiful view.
And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
And this is Murree Catholic Church in Ayubia, which is almost 120 years old.
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun. And on